In this video, we'll try to understand the medical term erythropoiesis. We'll understand the what, the why, the who, and the how. Let's start with what. What is erythropoiesis? Erythropoiesis is the formation of red blood cells or RBC in your body. RBC is produced in the bone marrow, which is the soft, spongy tissue inside your bones, especially of the long bones like your femur and pelvis. Okay, now let's come to the why. Why does the body produce more red blood cells? Now, the body produces more red blood cells when it senses that there is a lack of oxygen in your blood. Now, this can happen during conditions like anemia or blood loss or when you are in a high altitude. So, when the body senses that there is less oxygen, it naturally responds by producing more red blood cells because red blood cells are the ones that carry oxygen. Okay, now let's come to the who. Who signals to produce more red blood cells? Now, this signaling is done by your kidney via a hormone called erythropoietin or EPO. So, whenever it senses that there is a lack of oxygen, the kidney releases EPO into your blood, and then it will reach that bone marrow and it will understand that, okay, I need to produce more red blood cells. Let's come to the how of it. How does this happen? So as we said, the kidney sends a signal via the EPO hormone to the bone marrow. So the bone marrow understands that, yes, I need to work harder to produce more red blood cells. Now, when it gets that signal, the stem cells will get that EPO signal, and then the bone marrow will start maturing and they will start forming into red blood cells. So in over a week's time, they will lose their nucleus and they will gain hemoglobin and they will become fully functional red blood cells. So the bone marrow, it forms into fully functional red blood cells which are ready to carry oxygen. So that is the process of erythropoiesis.